GS Reva Diamond Jewelry, backed by the 190-year-old legacy of Pune Gadgil and Sons, is coming up with its IPO. The IPO for this company opens on 24th February and closes on 26th February 2026 with a price band set between 367 and 386 rupees. Reva Diamonds is a specialized retailer of diamond and precious stone jewelry. It currently operates 34 stores, but here's the catch. 33 of these are shop-in-shops located inside Pune Gadgil and Sons stores, with only one being a standalone outlet. So while the company benefits from the promoter's infrastructure, it is still in process of building its own independent identity. Some strengths of the company include it's backed by a 190-year-old promoter legacy. It has strong regional presence across Maharashtra, Gujarat and Karnataka and has experienced leadership team. Few risks to consider are: first, geographical concentration. Around 97% of revenue comes from Maharashtra alone, which increases regional dependency risk. Second, industry risk. The rising popularity of lab-grown diamonds could impact demand for natural diamond jewelry. Coming to the financials, revenue has jumped around 32% from 196 crore rupees in FY24 to 258 crore rupees in FY25. Net profit has jumped around 40% from 42 crore rupees in FY24 to 60 crore rupees in FY25. Looking at the valuations based on annualized DPS, the stock trades at a price to earnings multiple of 30. While its peers like Senco Gold, Kalyan Jewellers and Thangamayil Jewelry are trading at a price to earnings multiple of 10, 34 and 40 respectively. Lastly, the IPO is a fresh issue of 380 crore rupees. The company's primary objective is expansion. It plans to open 15 new brand exclusive stores for future business growth. And that's about it. Let us know in the comments if you are subscribing for this IPO.